Alright, gonna take a little ride in a nice convertible, 72 Olds Cutlass Supreme. This one's a nicely equipped one. It's got the Rocket 350 engine, and it's got automatic tranny, nice factory cold air conditioning, power top, power brakes. It's got, I guess it's got updated power front disc brakes, which is even better. And got a little secret stereo in there, you can see there. So you got some modern tunes.
Still got the factory AM FM one in the dash there, which is cool. They didn't mess up the dash.
Yep.
Tilt wheel. Man, this car drives nice. Feels good.
Yeah, it's got heated seats, which some people will like a lot.
Put the top down in the winter.
Yep.
Turn the heater on in the heated seats.
Yep. And you roast your buns.
That's right.
It drives really well. It's you know, nice and smooth. It's quiet, so you know there's not a lot of squeaks and noises.
Got the BF Goodrich TA radials on there with the Oldsmobile Rallies.
Yeah, let me show you a little bit of the dash action there.
Dual exhaust.
Whoa, we almost hit him. Man, we could have had a lawsuit. That would have been great.
Yeah, the interior's nice too. It's all been redone.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks great. We got all the lunch crowd out here.
Yep. Rides nice and smooth. These Cutlasses are basically a Chevelle underneath. Solid, full frame car.
Yep.
It's all you need in a classic car. Power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning.
That's right. Power top's good too. You don't want to have to get out and move that thing around.
That's right. Glass rear window too, so it doesn't get cloudy.
Yep.
Here's our picture spot.
Here we are.
Here's a fun cruiser. It's a 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. So the Supreme had some extra goodies on it. It's got a little extra chrome. This one's got the rally wheels. I love the color combination, the white with the gold wheels, kind of a 442 look going on there. It's got dual exhaust, a white convertible top with the glass rear window in good shape, power. It's got factory air conditioning. It's got updated power disc brakes up front, power steering, tilt steering wheel. Nice interior. The dash is in great shape. All the gauges are good and work. Has a original radio in the dash there, but it's not hooked up. There's a CD player in the glove box, Bluetooth. Seats were custom done, but tastefully. They actually added seat heaters, some elements in the bottom of the seats, which is great because you're going to cruise it at night and it's a little cool out. Turn the heater on, turn the seat heaters. Makes it more comfortable. All the chrome's in nice shape, the trim, the body fit is good. It's Cameo White, original color. It's been repainted at some point, but it looks real good. Looks good underneath too. This car has what they call a Zybart rust proofing. It was originally an East Coast car and then came out here, but with that Zybart they fill all the rockers and everything with a solution when they're brand new, and it prevents rust. So it's a good solid car. Fun cruiser. Here's the power plant in the Olds Cutlass. It's got the Rocket 350 V8 in it. Good engines, just like the Chevy 350. Reliable, simple to work on. As I said earlier, this one's got factory air, works great. Power steering, power disc brakes. Good, strong little runner. We're going to go ahead and fire this one up for you. Nice little motor. The people that owned this car before would drive it everywhere. Take a little trip in it, throw your luggage in the back. It's geared for the freeway. It's a fun little driver. I'll show you what it sounds like back here with the dual exhaust. It's a nice sound, you know. A little bit of rumble to it. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley. Phone number is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary. Be happy to give you a tour of the car. Thanks for watching.